In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom font to ClickFunnels. We're going to walk through the entire process from inside your ClickFunnels account, so you can start using your own brand fonts on your pages and funnels. Make sure you already have your font file downloaded to your computer, usually in formats like OTF or TTF before we get started. First, log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a few different options. What you want to click on is Workspace Settings. This is where you manage things that apply to your overall workspace, not just one funnel or page. When the Workspace Settings page opens, look again at the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll until you find the option called My Assets and click on that. The My Assets area is where ClickFunnels lets you store things like images, files, and of course fonts, so they're easy to reuse across different projects. Inside My Assets, you'll see several tabs along the top. Go ahead and click on the Fonts tab. This is where all your fonts will live, including any custom fonts you upload. Now, to add your custom font, look for the Upload Font button. Depending on your screen size or layout, this might appear in the top right corner or more toward the center of the page, but it will be clearly labeled. Click on Upload Font. You'll be taken to a new page where you can set up the details of your custom font. Here, you'll see a field where you can give your font a name. It's a good idea to use something clear and recognizable, like the official font name or a name that indicates its style, such as Brand Headline Regular. Next, click the Upload File button. This will open a file browser window on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your custom font file is saved, select the file, and then click Open at the bottom right of the window. Once the file is selected, click Create Font to start the upload process. Give the page a moment to reload. After it finishes, you should now see your new custom font listed among your other fonts. You'll also see a small preview, which lets you quickly check that the font looks the way you expect. If your font family has different styles, like bold, italic, or light, you may need to upload each style as a separate font, repeating the same steps for each file. That way, you'll be able to use all the variations consistently across your ClickFunnels pages.